How to find Amazon promo code. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser in your device and in the search bar, type in coupon follow and press enter in your keyboard. After that, head over to the first thing on your interface that says coupon follow. Click on it. Now once you get to this interface, navigate to the search bar and then search for Amazon.com. Press enter in your keyboard. Now on this interface that says Amazon promo codes, you will get multiple promo codes that you can use in Amazon to check out in any project, and then you will get certain percent off in your Amazon purchase. Now to view the promo codes, there is an option as show coupon code. Click on it. After that, the coupon code will be popped up in your interface. You can simply copy this promo code and then use it in your purchase or during checkouts in Amazon, and then you will get 5% off in your purchase. If you scroll down a bit, you have various kind of promo codes where you can get 10% dollar 10% off, 30% off, 50% off, or 5% off, and there is $10 off, and there are varieties of promo codes that you can use. And if you meet the terms and conditions, you can use these promo codes in your Amazon checkout. So that's how you can find out Amazon promo codes. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.